Source elements.
Hi, and welcome to this demonstration of Source-RTL, the new remote voice recording solution by Source Elements. What we've put together here is an average home voice recording setup. So we have a MacBook Air 2020 running Big Sur on Apple Silicon. We have a Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 USB interface. And we have a Rode NT1A microphone. We're going to be using Source-RTL and Source-Connect Standard to hook up my studio here in Bristol to Mike Caton's studio in London. And we'll be recording a short section of voiceover in sync to picture with both studios synchronized together. This is how it went.
Okay, so now I'm going to open Source-Connect and connect to Alan at 8 dB. Go into my contacts. Oh, there's Alan. He's online at 8 dB sound. Let's connect.
Ah, there's Mike. Hi, Mike.
Hi, Alan. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Lovely to hear you.
Good. Are you ready for a little test of remote timeline then?
Certainly am.
Okay, should we go for a take then, Alan?
Let's give it a go.
Here we go.
George Young, a devoted family man.
He loved his family, talked about his sons all the time, talked about his marriage.
911, what's your emergency?
In love with his wife, Tia, 22 years married.
All I've ever heard from George was how much he loved his wife.
But Tia was betraying him.
It will come out later that there was a lot of text messaging back and forth, sexually suggested text messages and funny memes talking about cheating on your husband.
I just heard a gunshot.
It's the motive for murder that's been around forever. A third party with access to weapons.
We did a lot of executive protection with high-end clients. Those were armed details. We do a lot of celebrity protection, Beyonce, Usher, and when they require firearms, then we do firearms.
An affair, weapons, and an insurance policy too.
Thank you, Alan. That was an absolutely terrific read.
Thank you.
I think we've got everything there. I've got everything I can nudge into absolutely perfect sync, but the performance was great. Thank you very much.
No worries. Speak to you soon.
Bye-bye.
Source elements.